Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes to provide an overview of the journals. Now, as a reminder, for this course, you will complete 5 journals, and the journals are one component of the evaluation methods. It's likely that you're familiar with the benefits of journal writing. I know that for those of you who are in academia, you likely have journal writing integrated into the curriculum for your pre-licensure students. Now, for this program, or for this course rather, again, you will complete 5 journals. I would like to see the journals focused on your experiences real time in practicum. So, what have you taken from practicum? What have you learned? And what have you applied? The journal should provide you an opportunity to self reflect and to move that foundational knowledge that you have garnered this past 2 years and demonstrate how you have applied it in practicum. Now, with all of that being said, I don't want you to lose sight of the fact that the journal should also provide you the opportunity to share your thoughts, feelings, and opinions. Yes, the journals will provide you an opportunity to apply critical thinking and demonstrate your understanding, but the journal should also provide you an opportunity to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and opinions. Now, I do have some guide questions here that you can consider as you begin to work on your journals. So if you're stumped as to where to start, you might consider looking at these questions which may trigger considerations. Recall that all of your journals, again, should be focused on your clinical experiences. I do have a guide of topics, but I am open to other topics. I would like to see where your journals focus on different topics each week, but let's just discuss that. If you feel that you want to dive deeper into the reflection a second week of the same topic, I'm open to that. I want this journal writing to benefit you. So I am open to different ideas, different topic areas. I would like to see where one of your topic areas that you center on in your journals is focused on an ethical issue. So think about that. Let me go ahead and pull up the rubric. Here, I have the journal rubric guide for you. Just as a reminder, the journals are not a list of tasks completed. Rather, the purpose of the journal is to provide you an opportunity to build and to solidify your skills and thinking. Okay. Uh, Again, not necessary for your journals to include citations. It is not necessary for your supporting remarks to be supported with citations. With that being said, both the topic and content, as well as the structure of your journals, will be considered. Stronger emphasis, of course, on the topic and the content of your journals. Please do take some time to review the rubric. I would be happy to answer any questions that you have, and I look forward to reading more about your experiences and your thoughts and your feelings as you continue with your practicum this term. Again, please reach out with questions or concerns.